Ay, video pala, sorry. Sharon, sarado pa sila. Let's go. Free wifi. Ang taray ng patsanggian nila, may free wifi. Oh, diba? Ang taray may... Ang taray ng patsanggian nila, may free wifi.
Siyempre.
Wala pa nga lang siyang laman. Ah, sige. Wala pa akong mabidyohan. Sarado pa sila.
Sa gabi ang bang?
Sige. Wala pa siyang laman. So,
mahaba to eh. Parang back to back na subway station. Nilakad ko. Parang to.
Ah, sige. Punta kami, second day na namin. Pupunta kami dito sa baker kasi alamig.
Tsaka hintay namin mga kasama namin late.
Ay, hindi, maaga pa. Ito, sa labas. Bili tayo!
Welcome!
Anyong! Ito, parang masarap. Bili ka. Oh. Ikaw na, bili ka. Come on, May! Fish cake bread. Yeah.
에이구 브레드 맛있어요. 그리고 양이 하나 원
Only one.
풋사우드.
Chui, ay, love, dito din eh.
Pero mailip ko. May itlog talaga sa loob.
Yummy.
Ang lambot to.
Love yarn. Ay, ako. Tinapay eh.
Hop.
Have a nice day. No. Ika na. Yay! Yes, go! Yes, yeah. Go! 5 minutes.
Hi guys, dito kami sa bus.
Bawal pa ingay. Mag-reserve bus kami. Mag-reserve bus kami. Gano'n natin.
Papunta kami sa...
Namsan.
Oh, sa Namsan. Ikot-ikot kami doon. Tapos ano, maghahanap kami ng usa. Tsaka Kalapate.
Bago na yung ano namin kita. Mukha pa rin siyang napkin talaga. With wings. With wings.
Ako natutuwa na kasi parang ako may buhangin sa kamay. Pero mainit.
Kumain ako ng fish cake. Ang saya-saya ko. Feeling ko, napag-feel ko na yung pagpunta ko dito. Para kumain ng fish cake.
ako hindi nagsuklay. Pero parang ay bilang naman.
Bye!
Bye, mamaya na lang.
Some of you, for you, can be a little early. My name is Katie, and I will be your tour guide for today. It's so great to see you all, and I'm so happy because today we have such a nice weather. Look outside. Isn't it beautiful?
It is.
No? No? Okay, it's very lucky because today there is not much of fine dust. Last for a few days in Korea, there was fine dust, so the sky wasn't very clear. But today, it's quite clear, so you can see beautiful sky. And I'm very excited to tour today with you all. And today we are going to 3 places. First, Obi Valley, and the second, Namiseom Island, and third, we are going to the Garden of Morning Calm. So I expect about finishing about 7 p.m. and when you are returning to Seoul, there will be about 8:30 p.m. but it's pretty depending on the traffic situation. So I will inform you again later. And there are a few things that I would like you to follow. First, safety is very important. So please fasten your seatbelt while you are on the bus. And the ground can be very slippery, so please be careful when you walk on the ice. I have heard some of the tourists went to hospital because they fell down. So I don't want you to go to hospital. I know the hospital in Korea is perfect service, but no, not with me. And the second is time. We are total 43 people on the bus. Full. It's full. So if one person is late, everyone is delayed. So please be on time. And I'm sorry, I can't wait you. So you have to take a taxi to follow me. Alright? So please be on time. And the drinks without lids are not allowed on the bus. So please bring your drink with the lids. So it can be filled out and from the safety reason. So please bring the drinks only with the lids. Alright, and the restaurant I'm going is a halal certificate restaurant. So if you're looking for the halal restaurant, you can join with me and you can go individually. It's okay, it's up to you. So I have to know how many people going, so please raise your hand if you want to follow me. Okay, so please raise your hand if you don't want to follow me. That's easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, thank you. Okay, so I will arrange the restaurant for you. And the owner said the potato pancake is very delicious, and also cold noodle as well. So you can try the Korean traditional, very delicious side dish and 닭갈비, which is the Korean stir fried chicken. So that'll be great. And the first destination, Obi Valley, will take about 1 hour. So I will let you have some relax. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Water. That's why it's Obi. Obi means flying fish. Yeah, that's why. So it's called like Flying Fish Valley. You can think like that way. Yeah. But I'm not sure if you can find the fish now. Maybe they went to bed for winter sleep. So you maybe go there and try to find the fish. The Obi ice wall actually was popular maybe less than 2 years. The village leader created the ice wall as an experimental project. So it gained popularity from the mouth and also social medias, you may have seen many photos from SNS. And actually, it's artificial structure. I'm sorry. But actually, the ice wall cannot be formed naturally. Yeah, so it's artificial, but it gives the very spectacular and magical view. So you can take a lot of photo background of the ice wall, and so it gives you very special winter mood. So, and when you get off the bus, you can see right side there is a sort of frozen village where you can buy some Korean winter treats like roasted sweet potato and steamed bun, and they are selling the seaweed as well, so you can maybe try.
Hi, vlogger friend.
Hello! Magpipicture daw. Andyan pa, nasa dulo kasi siya eh. Hoy, madulas! Hoy, madulas! La, madulas, oy! Madulas!
Uy, madulas ka naman.
Di ba? Wala siyang pake.
Si Daddy,
Ay, video pala to.
Hi! Nasa ice wall kami. Pinaprotektahan namin yung north.
Oh, yellow!
Sa kabila niya may wildlings, tsaka yung ano, yung sino nga yun? Sa Game of Thrones.
Palamig. Oh, may magpipicture pa. I'm walking in the snow, in the snow. Walking, 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 walking. Now we jump, now we jump. Ano meron dito? Wala na meron dito.
Yobi Mountain.
Ah, ito yung Yobi Mountain.
好不容易有，等下又说你要上就没有了。先去啦，李定，好不好？我带你去。李定，那选张标那里。
Ito, wala kang kaagaw. Wow, mas maganda dito. Baka madulas. Kasi na.
Bakit hindi dito?
Oo nga, no. Saan na ba sila?
Ayun na.
Ayun, nag-aangingay. Gusto ko mag-picture.
Kaya pala picturean sa atin.
tinatawa si May Marla yun? O, diba? Tal yun eh. Freedom! Kaya naman kadali. Kaya naman picture. Mabilisan mo naman.
1, 2, 3.
Let's go. Nagpipicture ka? May video ka na dito. Let's go. Sana kaya yun sila? Hindi ako makasama sa picture. Lamig. Wow. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. Tapos may kanta, ship pa, oh, shish, iba pala yan. Lo.
Elsa daw. Sabi Elsa. Frozen.
Gusto ko yung gano'n-gano'n. Lo. May ass dyan! Wala ka na to. O, baka mawala na naman kayo, ha? Mag-ubat ka. Sayaw ka dyan, dali. Legit ba? Magbabad ka dyan? Makakaano ka dyan, mahuli ka. Hi guys! Babalik na kami sa bus.
Nandito kami sa ano. Ano nga to? Anong lugar to?
EOB.
Oh, Mount Yobi. Tapos kami mag-picture-picture. Di na kami nag-video kasi ano eh. Hassle.
Madulas to eh. Madulas po.
Madulas yun sa higpa. Kasi puro yelo. Nag-picture-picture kami madami. Check nyo na lang.
Wow, punta kayo dito. Masaya, malamig. Malamig siya.
Oo.
Yellow, bes. Bye! Balik na ako sa bus.
Generated yung yelo.
Bye ka!
Bye!
Ito.
The 7? Last table. Oh. 7. Dito na lang tayo. Ah!
Hello? 7 people?
Yes.
Bahala ka na mag-steer.
Oh, aluin mo ngayon niya, Kitin.
Ako naman, ako na lang.
Sweet sauce?
Eh.
Not spicy. Not spicy.
Ito namin yung 3 sauce.
Kasi tatlo to, kaya dalawa lang.
Yes, I will mix it.
Ilan to?
Dalawa.
Dalawa daw. 3 plus 4. Ayun na sinabi.
Spicy kasi to.
Oo. May pula eh.
Spicy yan?
Hindi parehas lang eh.
Hindi, ito na yung spicy.
May pula. Ito doon, just
Oh, mainit.
Ito pala yung ano.
extra ng ano yan dito.
Baka kung gusto daw water.
Feeling ko set meal like
Hindi sinabi ni ate, diba? Ate Nas?
na ano?
Na it's very sweet.
Hindi,
Ganyan
na set meal. Ang dami sa akin yun yung daw specialty, yung sweet potato.
So ito talagang kakainin.
Para kang magpapala ng
Bakit dumami yung gulay?
Wala pang na-mix.
Mas marami yun.
Mas marami, sabi ko sa'yo, mas marami yung
Kulimutin
gulay.
ko yung manok. Manok yan?
Oo.
Chicken. Ano, pork? Ano to?
Side dish.
Ano to?
Radish.
Walang kimchi? Kimchi juice sa'yo.
Potato thinking.
Potato.
Walang rice.
Hindi ko alam.
Oh, gusto mo sumasigawan. Tanong ko.
Kaya ako. Baka pag nagtanong ka. Bigla kang buntalin dyan. Gusto ko soda.
Gusto mo masigawan?
Ano pa luya?
Sabi lang mix-mix.
Oo, luya.
Luya yan, orange.
Oo.
Saya.
Ang may
Taray naman yung orange. Many mix na.
Shake mo daw. Sabi shake.
Ano? Sabi ko sa'yo, meron na bago mapagalitan.
Shake
Alam mo,
daw eh.
ganyan yung...
Ikaw alay tayo. Alay nyo talaga eh, no?
May bago na papagalitan.
Si Nelson.
Hindi.
Pag si Nelson kasama mo, siya yung pagagalitan.
Ayokong magtanong. Ayokong magtanong talaga.
Baka papunta na.
Rice and kimchi, tama.
Taray.
Okay lang po ba? Okay lang po ba? Basta. Rice. Do you have rice? Yeah. Oh,
Yes daw. Fried rice or white rice? Rice, how many rice?
Sebe.
Ay, hindi ka?
6, please. 6. May nakalagay na presyo, di ba?
Kalmado lang.
Nelson, magkano yung rice?
2,001.
2,001 daw yung rice.
Bahala naman, hindi ko rin alam kung paano niya ibibili.
Oo. Ano to? Thank you, Nelson.
Meron yung kasama. May Pilipino.
Oo.
Ay, nakatayo na ako tapos nauna ako umana. Akala niya siguro hindi ako nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. Sabi niya, time tayo.
Or?
Hindi ba pwedeng ano?
Noodles.
Halo mo, haluin mo. Uy, ang galing naman doon.
Hindi naman
Diba?
Saan lalagay ito?
Di ba ginugulo? Pwede ka yan. Konti lang muna, baka
Tapos yung chicken. Boss. Hindi masyadong mabenta. Hindi mabenta. Hindi mabenta.